The AI bubble.
Are we going to have an AI bubble?
But if we analyze the situation right now from an economic perspective, what we see is not a large-scale creation of new value. What we see is a bubble forming. To understand this, we need to look at how money moves in the AI ecosystem today. And this part is crucial. The money circulates mostly among the same companies. It is a closed loop. Microsoft funds OpenAI. OpenAI pays Microsoft to use Azure. Amazon invests in AWS, and AWS charges Amazon's own products and services. Google sells cloud computing to Google. Meta buys thousands of NVIDIA GPUs to train internal models that still do not generate direct revenue. So a large part of the revenue reported in the AI sector does not come from external customers. It comes from internal transfers and cross-billing among the same big tech companies. This creates the appearance of growth, but it is circular growth. It is like 5 people passing the same money around and each one saying, "I made revenue," even though no new wealth was created. This does not mean that AI is useless. AI has real value. It automates tasks, speeds up research, improves analysis, assists with writing, coding, decision-making, customer service, logistics, finance, and healthcare. The utility is real. The question is not utility. The question is profitability. In a healthy economy, the process is simple. A technology creates real value. The end customer pays for that value. The company earns more than it spends. But today, with AI, this process is not yet complete. Companies use AI, but the cost to operate it is extremely high. Servers are expensive. GPUs are expensive. Maintenance and engineering are expensive. And above all, AI consumes a massive amount of electricity. A modern AI model does not run on one computer. It requires thousands of machines running constantly. And those machines must be cooled non-stop. A single AI data center can consume as much electricity as an entire small city. So the real limit to AI right now is not technology. It is energy. This is why in the past 2 years, the strategy of big tech has changed. They are no longer only trying to buy more GPUs. They are trying to secure electricity itself. Microsoft signs long-term contracts for entire power plants. Amazon invests in dedicated solar and wind energy fields. Google reserves electrical grid capacity before even building new data centers. Some companies are now funding small modular nuclear reactor projects. This clearly shows where we are. AI is useful, but not yet profitable at scale. Revenue exists, but it is circular, coming from inside the tech sector rather than from the final market. Costs are rising faster than profits, and expansion is constrained by energy availability, not algorithms. This is what defines the AI bubble today, a promising technology, but whose economic value captured is still smaller than the investment already priced in. A bubble does not mean the technology is fake. A bubble means the price already reflects a future that has not happened yet. And in economics, the difference between belief and reality always closes, one way or another.